To my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend who needs job update, and please subscribe my channel. And if you need job update and your friend needs job update, please share this link to join Telegram group. Let's discuss our jobs update. Our first job from Nagpur, and company name is Elite. Elite is hiring for data analytics analyst and experience need 0 to 3 year of experience you have need, and salary range is 3 LPA to 3.5 LPA per year, and this is full time permanent job. And how to apply this job, you have click here, click apply, and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst from company name confidential, and location is Navi Mumbai, Mumbai City, Thane and Pune. Okay, and experience need is 0 to 5 year of experience in needed, and salary is not disclosed here. And the job responsibility you can see here and read that what you have need like XML, JavaScript, ETL framework, business object etc database like SQL and SPSS SAS. And how to apply the job, you have click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is from Genpact India. Genpact India is hiring for data analytics and business analyst and data science, and responsibility is you can see here AI engineer, AI engineer, and experience need you can see here, and how to apply this, and a skill required like AI ML code deployment, and you must have completed BTech in computer science, computer engineering, information technology, electronic and communication, and you have a skill need like you have must have R, Beka and Python. Very good in Python or R, not both, only one, and programming language like Java, and you must have need like JVM design, and deep learning framework such as TensorFlow, Karsa, and tooling like PyCharm or Jupyter. Okay, and other skill you must have need like SQL, NoSQL, MS Access database, Linux, GPU, and how to apply this job. You click here apply online and you apply here. Our next job is from Emerson. Emerson is hiring for software simulation engineer, and location is Maharashtra, India. This is your job description and all, and you and technical skill need like ability to read, write, speak with fluency in English. You must have knowledge delivery project proposal, ability to read P and ID, PFD, and OLGA, LED, MS Office, and how to apply the job. You have click here, apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is from JPMorgan. JPMorgan is hiring for software engineer, uh, and this is for 2024 batch. Uh, who good who code for good. Okay, and this is your job description. Role is job identity, this ID, and job category is software engineer. This is full time opportunity after internship, and this is your job description. You can read here, uh, and job description is this, and job responsibility you have hired as a software engineer, and you have right modify and test software. Your required eligibility is batch 2024 batch pass out, completed degree BTech, stream you have read here, and minimum CGPA 7 CGPA, and your location is Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Mumbai, And how to apply this job? You click here apply now and you fill the details. Thank you for watching this